represent the kingdom, but God sent me to let you know that they're still in love. They are. Hello and welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tiny. If you're not already a faithful subscriber to this channel, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button. Get into the flow here at Prophetic Diary, and I promise you that you will glow. God is positioning us, and you guys see with the way that the world is going right now, God want to make sure that all of his kingdom people are in the proper position, right? Not only for a wealth transfer, but in the end times, make sure that you're in a position where you're winning and that you're helping. So God is really, really pushing us and forcing us to take care and clean out and get rid of the parts of us that are not usable by him. That's why we have the PD Society Circles. Every single Sunday we meet and we clean out the things and parts of us that's just not him and not usable. So join us in the PD Society Circles every Sunday. This Sunday we're going to be talking about the spirit of lust. People think that love is all sexual and sexual immorality. That's not true. A lot of us are dealing with lust here at Prophetic Diary, where you're lusting at the things and you're trying to fill a void. It's not all sexual, but these are the things that we learn about in the PD Society Circle. And also your spouse may be dealing with it and learning about it so that you're proactive and not reactive. So join us in the PD Society Circles at keywitnesses.com. You can find out all of these services, the life coaching services. Let's talk about your marriage and about your life. We can also talk about your brand, your logo, getting that brand that God is giving you off the ground so that in the end times you are prepared and you are thriving. You see, AI is coming for us. You guys better be prepared. That's why God has me here. KeyWitnesses.com under services. You might want to start investing in yourself and investing in your business and investing in your future. And God has placed me as a life coach to help you do that. We have our EXP course. This course has been running to make sure that your outsides match your insides. You look like where you're going this Saturday. We're going to be talking about makeup, face card never declines, making sure that when you walk into these rooms that you are confident and that you are representing the kingdom well. And then we have our PJs with purpose. Grab your favorite PJs. Let's come, let's reset, let's unwind. So many amazing services, ebooks, digital products at keywitnesses.com that will transform your life forever and prepare you for what is to come. The Lord sent me with the word about love today, and I can't talk about love without talking about Songs of Solomon. I can't talk about love without talking about Jacob and Rachel and the sacrifice, and how in Genesis 29:20 it says, so Jacob served 7 years to get Rachel, but they seemed like only a few days to him because his love for her. And then in Songs of Solomon, in verse 8, in chapter 8:7, it says, many waters cannot quench love, rivers cannot sweep it away. Love isn't fragile. It can survive storms, it can survive separations and spiritual influences when both parties are in love, when both parties really want this thing. We talked about the power agreement and the PD's power of agreement. They may be feeling something in their soul and their spirit, and they love you so much, but there's things about themselves that God is transforming and working on, just like we're doing here at Prophetic Diary, before you guys can truly come into agreement. But when it's true love, and there's a big difference between true love and toxic love. Toxic love is built on infatuation and chasing and lust and, wanting it more, loving that person more than you love yourself. That is not love. That is definitely lust. We'll talk about that in the PD Society Circle. But Boaz noticed Ruth even when she wasn't looking for love. He covered her, he blessed her, and he fought for her. Eventually their union became the ancestral bloodline of Jesus. And we talked about this, the purpose in it. The reason why you're being worked on and they're being worked on is to be brought together for such a time as this, especially with the times that we're living in this world. Kingdom marriages are going to be needed. You guys will be kingdom finances. But how can you be that if you won't even start the business, if you won't work on your credit? There's things that God has been calling us to, and I've been trying to get you prepared for here at Prophetic Diary. Your spouse is still in love. The Lord led me to this song today. Well, he didn't lead me. I was in my kitchen, and this song dropped in my heart by New Edition, and it's I'm still in love with you. And it's a beautiful, beautiful song. this song actually fell onto my heart, and the reason why the Lord allows songs to fall on our hearts, especially love songs, because He's trying to put it into perspective for us, right? It's not about the song being secular or this and that and the third for the religious folks out there, but He's trying to put things in perspective. God will use whatever He needs to put things in perspective for us here, especially at Prophetic Diary. And in the chorus it says, I'm still the man for you, and I'm still the man that's true, and I'm still the man who's lucky, and I'm still the man in love with you. It don't matter what your friends do, they're just jealous of me and you. And I'll always keep you happy, because I'm still in love with you.
I'm still the man for you, and I'm still the man that's true, and I'm still the man who's lucky, and I'm still in love with you. It don't matter what your friends do, they're just jealous of me and you. And I'll always keep you happy, cause I'm still in love with you. Oh, baby, I'm still in love.
The feelings just won't let me go. And God put this in perspective for me to release this word to you, that He's saying the feelings won't let me go. Every time I try to walk away, every time Satan tried to distract me, just like I read in Songs of Solomon, I come back, because it's not easily swept away. It's not a spot or a stain that I could just wipe off and move on. This love, a man, if he's able to step out and run around on you and stuff like that, that's not the man that I'm talking about. I'm talking about a man that knows in his heart, I'm the best for you. I'm still in love with you. I'm trying to figure myself out, and allowing God, even like Jonah, he just needed that time away. He got thrown off the boat, ended up in the belly of the well for that revelation to come about. But when I talk about love and them still being in love, what I'm trying to say is that it is a still love, and it is a steadfast love, and it is a love that many distractions will come at, and Satan doesn't want it to come to pass, but it's going to overcome all of Satan's tactics. A lot of Satan's tactics, is you just having friends that constantly hate on you, right? And just all in your business, and nosy folks that, don't really want to see you happy. And it's just, so you can't have a spouse that's all over the place and outside and not in love with the Lord and stuff like that. They're only going to be as serious about your walk with God as serious as you are about it. And there should be nothing that can stop you. I always tell the WhatsApp app chat, if there's no consistency, nothing's going to get built. If you deal with God how you want to deal with God, no, people need to know that this is where I stand and this is where I'm at, right? Not just on religious stuff, but like, look, and the love that God is bringing together, it's going to withstand the storms. It's going to withstand the obstacles, and it's going to come together, and it's going to represent the kingdom. But God sent me to let you know that they're still in love. They are. What can I do, babe? I'm so in love, babe. I love that song. So, hey, this is what it is. It's still, it's like a tree. It's planted. It's going to be fruitful. It's going to grow. It is what it is. This week at Prophetic Diary, we're talking about restoration here at this church. We're talking about restoration this week. Somebody say restoration. Restoration. You are being restored. A lot of you need to be in that PD Society Circle this Sunday when we talk about lust, because you've been lusting after things of the world, and you need to get back in position. Let's restore our minds to the right place. So we got a lot of work to do here this week at Prophetic Diary. Hope that you're in the flow. But for your love life, they're still in love. It's still planted. It's still firm, and it still is. The promise still stands. I love you guys.
It's got you thinking, and it's affecting you.
Don't listen, baby.
What can I do, girl? I'm so in love, girl.
I've been waiting for this moment.
And I don't know what to do, cause I don't wanna lose you. No, baby. What would I do without your love? Baby, it's heaven sent from above. So you don't believe what your friends tell you about me.